Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝐦𝐨. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Now, I know you thought that that was my hair at the beginning, and I would have thought that that was my hair as well if I did not see it come out of this box. This wig is from Myfirstwig, and the wig that I received is 20 inches. It is a 13x6 kinky straight lace front wig, and it was created using air lace. The density is 130%, and this wig was created using Indian hair, which has a lifespan of 10 to 15 months. So I have been in the hair business for a very, very long time, and I can confidently say that Myfirstwig has some of the best wigs on the market. And Myfirstwig now offers pre-everything. So their new wigs have pre-bleached knots, they have pre-plucked hairlines, and they're ready to go with pre-cut lace. It doesn't get any easier than this, y'all. The cap construction includes 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. The hair texture looks and feels so real. Here's an up-close shot of the kinky straight texture on the left and a silky straight wig on the right. So which hair texture do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. It is a 13x6 cap construction, so you can do a hairstyle going straight back. You could do a middle part, you could do a side part, a left or right side part. You can get really creative with the different hairstyles within the 13x6 amount of lace on this wig. So first, I'm going to tint the lace. I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. The first one is the color of my foundation, and I'm spraying that along the hairline portion of the underside of lace. The second color is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that on the inner portion of the underside of lace. I'm doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying after each layer. Okay, so now I'm grabbing my hair wax stick and I'm just going to define the parting space, and then I'm just going to grab my pressing comb and then just smooth those hairs in the direction that I want them to go into. This is going to help everything just come together in the end. So now I'm just going to style the hair. It's going to be really simple. I'm just grabbing 𝐰𝐢𝐧𝐝 Silk Infusion Hair Serum, applying it to the hair, and then in small sections, I'm just going to lightly flat iron it. From the texture to the hairline to how this wig flows and moves to the natural luster of it, this looks like someone's natural hair from the back, doesn't it? So I'm going to finish the style by spraying Sebastian's Shaper Spray, which is a brushable hairspray. So it's going to give me that hold and make sure that everything is, staying in place, but I can always brush it if I need to. It's not going to be hard and cakey. Y'all, this air lace is the best on the market. Look at that. It looks perfect. So just trying the wig on, I'm showing you how it would look with no baby hairs. I do have a lower hairline, so wigs don't really match my hairline. And because I have a lower hairline, I do tend to wear baby hairs with my wigs just so that the baby hairs can cover my edges in the front so that it can blend in a lot better. Here is how the wig looks with no glue, no adhesive. Of course, you can wear this wig glueless if you choose to, but because my hairline is out, I know that I have to do some type of adhesive, so I'm just going to just gel those baby hairs down, and I'm not putting any other adhesive on the wig at all. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to this gorgeous wig from Myfirstwig. So check down below in the description box for more information. I love how this came out. I love the fact that this is a beautiful and perfect everyday wig. The fact that you do not have to glue it down, and it just looks so natural. This wig is definitely unclockable, and it's affordable, and it's just giving natural hair. Like, it's giving everything that I need. Myfirstwig never misses with these wigs. They keep getting better and better and better and better. Myfirstwig is one of my favorite wig companies because of how natural their wigs are when you first take it out of the package. You do not have to do extra work with their wigs, and they're just perfect to me, in my opinion. I love them. I love them, love them, love them. So let's chat everything this wig down below in the comments, and let me know which wigs you are looking forward to seeing videos on in the future. How are you wearing your hair for spring? Let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and comment before you leave so that I know you stopped by, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
𝐷𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿. Yeah, that's right. It's 𝐷𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿.